This is the healthiest, yummiest, and flakiest chicken pies I have ever had. I have made this before, but I did not film it. And because it is so good, I want to share the recipe with you. So, if you want to eat chicken pies the healthy way and without feeling guilty, this is the recipe for you. I'm going to share all the ingredients with you. It is easy to tell how flaky this is from the way I opened it. Look at that. And the inside, super juicy, filled with chicken. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Let's make healthy oats chicken pies. We are going to start with the filling. So in a pan, I added a tablespoon vegetable oil. You don't want to do too much with the oil. And in goes roughly blended red scotch bonnet peppers and lots of onions and a bit of garlic. The pepper may look a lot, but it's not. If you don't like it, you can completely take it out. But if I must be sincere with you, this added a really nice kick. Even my children that I shared this with made really nice comments about the idea of adding just a bit of pepper. So you're going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we will add shredded chicken. I already had soft boiled chicken at home and that's what I used. I'll put the measurement in the description box. If you don't have chicken, you can just buy soft chicken, boil and shred it. Hello again, in case you're joining us for the first time, I am happy to have you here. I hope you will stay with us by clicking that subscribe button. Okay, I have the stock from boiling the chicken and that's what I'm adding now. Here I have 1/4 cup of diced carrots and 1/4 cup of diced Irish potatoes which I added. My son offered to add half a stock cube and that's what he is crushing in right now, and also a bit of salt to taste. I love to add a pinch or two of curry powder to my chicken pie filling. It's really nice. I added more water to cook this till the vegetables are really soft. I will now cover this to cook. Now, beautiful people, I would love to ask that you please click like on this video if you truly are enjoying it. If you're not enjoying it, no problem. But I have a feeling that you are, because if you're watching up to this point, then you're getting something from it. So please click like. It's the only way that YouTube will know that it's valuable and that will make them recommend the video to other people. Thank you. Mid cooking, I thought to add this tiny leftover green bell pepper just for flavor. Alright, this is it after some 15 minutes. The vegetables are very well cooked. So I'm going to thicken this by adding 1 tablespoon of oat flour. The water left in the filling is not a lot, so I thought to add just a bit so I can use it to mix the oat flour. You can also mix the oat flour in water and then pour in the filling, whichever one, this works too. So I just stirred for just a minute and this is ready. I will set this aside in a bowl to cool completely. We cannot use this if it's not completely cool. Next step is to prepare the crust, and for this I'll be using oat flour. I usually use old-fashioned oat or rolled oat, which I always blend and keep in the kitchen for whenever I want to use it. So to these 3 cups of oat flour, I'm going to add 1 cup all-purpose flour. This will help to bind it, and I don't think this quantity will do harm to anyone. Followed by half a teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. The baking powder will contribute to keeping the crust light and flaky. Once the dry ingredients have been combined, it is time to add eggs, and I'll be using 2 eggs for this. A little bit of vegetable oil, you can replace this with coconut oil or olive oil. Now we're going to combine this and then add water in bits. Cold water, please. Like I said in my video on how to make the regular chicken pie, I will link the video to the description box in case you want to see that. Make sure not to overmix the dough so it doesn't get too stretchy and then you will lose that flakiness. Now the dough has come together, but unfortunately I did not have the time to say let me keep this in the fridge to let it rest. So I just got into cutting it up into small sizes. You can chill this for 5 to 10 minutes if you have the time. I did not have the time, and that did not make any difference, to be sincere with you. After cutting, roll out each dough, not too thick and not too thin. You will see how thick or thin mine is. I decided on round chicken pies today, so I used the lid of a container which is round to cut out the round shape. You can do any shape that you like. You can do round, you can do heart, you can do crescent, you can do rectangle, whatever shape that you like. I want you to pay attention to the thickness of the crust. It is not too thick and also not too thin, so it doesn't tear when I'm closing it up. I put the filling on one circle and closed it up with another circle shaped dough, and then I pressed down the sides with a fork to seal everything, and this is it. It looks really good. Everything is well secured. I lined an oven tray with a parchment paper and arranged all the chicken pies on it. I will give it some egg wash. The egg wash is just a combination of egg and milk. I baked this in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes, and this is the result. It looks good, but let me tell you, it tasted even better. I have not had anything so good and so guilt-free in a while. And to be sincere with you, this method took nothing away from the taste. It tastes just as good as the chicken pie that you know, if not better in fact. Now let's open this up, feel the flakiness and see the juiciness of these healthy oat chicken pies. Now look at that flakiness. This was so light. I mean the crust, the filling, juicy, delicious, it's everything. My people, if you love healthy good stuff, you need to keep this recipe close by and make sure to try it. It is very easy. Let me know your feedback when you try it. I would love to know, but I have no doubt that you're going to fall in love with this. After this one, I have made another one because my people just kept asking me. It's more than watching your weight. It's just a healthier version and it is so good. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe if you have not. I will see you very soon with another fantastic recipe. Take care and bye-bye.